Here we're going to be talking about fast and interleave DSL lines. This is an option within the DSLAM. You can option it for fast or interleave. Let me explain exactly what the difference is between fast and interleave. Now, every packet that you send on a DSL line has additional information, has additional bits on the end called CRCs, cyclic redundancy check. What the CRC does is that when this data is received at the modem end, the information at the end of each packet tells them the modem what is inside of that packet. And if they don't match, then the modem knows that there's a problem with that packet and it asks for resend. This is CRCs. So, you know, every time if you check your modem, you'll see that every once in a while you have so many CRC errors. And this is basically what it is. You have a defective packet which had to be resent. Now, a defective packet every once in a while is not a problem. This is quite normal. But it is a problem when you get a big hit like this and it destroys all the related packets. Like this is a piece of data with all the related packets of that data, and this was destroyed. They usually come in together on a fast data stream, and when they do get hit, everything gets destroyed. Well, what happens here is that it takes quite a while to have this information resend, and if it is happening quite often, this data stream is going to reduce very slow. But while it's happening, you're going to find that if you're watching TV, the picture is going to freeze. If you're talking on the line, it's going to sound very choppy. So interleave could solve that problem. What they do with interleave is, if you should get a hit like this, it will not cause the line to freeze. You will not even know that it happened. And the reason is that instead of having all the related packets together, they are broken up. And you will see you have a one packet from all the related packets here, right here in this first section. And they pick another packet from another area, put beside of it, another packet, another related packet from over here, put here, and one from here. So now you have in this section here, this data section, where you had all related packets before, now you have a group of unrelated packets. So if you should have noise comes in now and just totally destroy all four of these packets, it will not take as long to get these packets resend as it did to get all of these related packets resent. Because this is much quicker, we find it works better for TV and voice services because it doesn't take as long to get these packets resent. So you'll get a hit like this and you wouldn't even know it happened. It wouldn't cause any problems on the line, on the TV services or voice services whatsoever. The interleave option works great for voice and video, but customers who requires more real-time transfer of data, like online gamers, may not like this option because it does increase the latency by about 10 milliseconds. Latency is how long data takes to get from one point to the other. My name is Trevor and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe below for more related videos like this one.